Okay, guys, I'm here in Pasadena, California, and this is where I live. I love the city, but I want to talk to you for just a second or two more about achieving your goals. And that may be for your grant business, that may be for some other thing, that may be for writing your first grant. I don't know, and I really don't care what the goal is. What I do care about is that you do at least get some goal because too many people are living their lives without any goals at all, and that's not a great way to live. You see, when you get goals, things change for you. You have something that you're aiming at. What if you just got in your car and said, I'm just going to go riding? Well, you can go for a ride cruising, but you don't want to cruise through life not having any direction. And I want to share with you one thing that I did and one thing that I still do to hit some of the goals that I have right now in life. Now, one thing in particular, I never forget, there was a certain type of car that I want to drive. Now I have a couple of different cars right now that I like, and these are good cars. But at the time, I didn't have a car, and I wanted a certain car. I just sold my other. I had a truck, sold that truck because the truck didn't fit me, and so I said, you know what? I'm going to get this type of car. And so I made a decision to do it. Now, here's one of the things I did. I got a keychain, and I didn't have that vehicle that I wanted, but I got the keychain for that vehicle. And for about at least a year and a half, I walked around and had the keychain to the car that I wanted, but didn't have that car. But the keychain was a constant reminder to me every day about what I was going to do, what I was planning on achieving. And so I want to say to you, whatever your goal is, keep it present in front of you. Now, I have another goal now, and I never showed you. I got one of the vehicles that I ended up getting. I gave her a name. Her name is Sierra. I call her Sierra Margarita, and she's a little Porsche that I have, and I love it. It's a fun car. But I have another goal right now of a car that I'm aiming at, and it's a part of a contest where I get a chance to actually win this vehicle. In fact, here's the vehicle right here that I get a chance to win, and I'm going to win it. I'll let you know later on when I win it. But it's this smooth-looking Tesla right here, and I'm planning on winning. So I'm working. That's one of my goals right now. Now, what's your goal right now that you're working on? I don't care what it is. I want you to write it below. Let's talk about it, because whatever your goal is, it's your goal. It's something that's important to you. And at the end of the day, I want to see you win. Now, here's Sierra. Sierra was one of the goals that I had, and I want you see it. She's a little sweet something. But here's the thing I want you to take note of. Look at what the license plate says. It says, let's win. And that's what I want to see for you, my friend. I want to see you win. And you can win when you start getting the goals that you set in place to have, and you go for it, okay? So let's go for it, and let me know how I can help you, okay? Listen below, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.